Hello everyone. Our today's topic is Python Numpy Array. Actually, basically the Python has very rich set of modules, packages or libraries. So one of the most widely used package from Python is Numpy. So now we are going to see about Numpy. Numpy array is nothing but numerical array. So one of the most widely used numerical array is Numpy array. So for if you want to do any operations or any arithmetic calculations with multi-dimensional or single dimensional data, you can make use of this Numpy array. So Numpy array is most widely used module of Python for doing all the scientific computations. So not only the scientific computations, as well as mathematical computations also you can do by using this Python numpy array. So now we are going to see how we can create the numpy array. We are going to see the creation of numpy array, which is the numerical array used for scientific and numerical computations. So using this numpy array, you can create single dimensional array as well as multi-dimensional array also. So using that single dimensional and multi-dimensional array, you can extract the data from the array. Not only the extraction, you can do the retrieval of the data, and then data slicing is also possible. For example, the NumPy array has thousands elements. Suppose you want to get some 500 and second element 502 element. If you want to slice, that means that is also possible. So you can slice any element from anywhere from numpy arrays using its slicing method. So many methods and functions are available in the numpy array. So if you want to do any data manipulations, you can do with this numpy array. So now we are going to see how can we create single dimensional numpy array. So if you want to make use of the numpy array, first it has to get import from the Python library. So we have to use the import statement to import the numpy array. So the numpy array will get import by using the alias name np. So no need for you to refer the array by using the name numpy. Instead of numpy, you can use the short name alias name np. So now we are going to create the array by using this alias name np. So using this object, you can call the method from the numpy array. So the array is the method or function from the library or package or module of numpy. So using this array function, we are going to create the numpy array. So the numpy array is getting created by using this function array. Then and the data values are getting stored in the array. So now we are going to print the same. Here we are printing the same. The array is getting printed. So finally you will be getting the output like this. This is the output for us. This single dimensional array creation. So in the similar way, you can create the multi-dimensional array also. This is two-dimensional array. So again, if you want to make use of the numpy array, first you have to import the numpy array, and then as alias name np, then you can use this alias name. We are using the method array from the library numpy. So array is nothing but the function of this numpy array library. So this is the syntax we have to follow. So here we are having list of element. This is first list, this is second list. So from that we are expecting the multi-dimensional array. So this is the output we will be getting after executing this statement. So this array is two-dimensional array because it has two rows, and then this is called 2 into 4 array because two rows are there and then four columns are there. So the size of this two-dimensional array is 2 by 4. So this is the way we can create the multi-dimensional array as well as a single dimensional array using this numpy. So the numpy is very powerful package or module available in Python language. So if we want to do any numerical and scientific computations by using single or multi-dimensional array, we have to go for this Numpy array. So we are having so many methods and functions are there in the Numpy array. Here we have seen only the symbol and first function of how to create a single dimensional and multi-dimensional using the array function from the library numpy of Python. Okay, okay guys, that's all for now. I will see you in next video guys. Thank you one and all.